The Guardians and Galaxy part a little bit more dimension with that gold. And then I outlined all of that in a black just to make it pop a little bit more. All right, there we go. And look at how cool the cookie looks when you zoom in on it like this. It's like super sparkly and I love it. Hi cookie friends! We are so happy you are back with us at Lights Camera Cookies.
Yes.
Thanks for joining myself and Hank to talk about this super cool cookie that we just decorated. Did you like it? Did you think that was an awesome cookie? Here's one more look at that. Guardians.
Oh, looks even cooler on camera.
Look at that shimmer.
I thought you were going to say something cursing.
No, I wouldn't say that.
Look at that shimmer.
Look at that shimmer.
Oh.
Yes. So, the reason why we made this cookie is because we wanted to celebrate Guardians of the Galaxy's Cosmic Rewind roller coaster super cool ride experience in Epcot in Walt Disney World.
Yes, it like just opened.
We have not gotten to go on it. Have you gone on it? And if you have, please let me know. Is it as awesome as it
it's awesome.
looks?
Why do you ask them that? You know it's awesome.
It's got to be awesome,
Everyone
right?
says it's awesome.
It's got to be awesome. So, what do you have for us today, Hank?
Got fuzz facts.
Got some fuzz facts.
All right.
All right, Hank, hit me with fuzz facts.
Oh.
Okay, number one.
Okay, Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind is the longest fully enclosed coaster in any Disney theme park.
Really?
And one of the longest enclosed in the world.
That's really cool.
That's really cool.
Does it say how long it is?
Back to Google. It says it covers more square feet than a football field.
Wow.
200,000 square feet.
Wow. That's a big
crazy
coaster. Fuzz fact number two.
Number two. Guardians 3.
Yeah.
Disney Imagineers were on set.
Okay.
On set filming everything you see on this ride. It's all non-canon. You know what that means, right?
I do know what that means. So it's not following any kind of storyline.
No, all original storyline.
That is really
Even
cool.
seeing grown-up Groot again.
Oh, very cool.
Yep.
That makes me more excited to want to go on it.
Yes! Oh, it's so cool. And even Chris Pratt jokes about his favorite ride in Epcot.
Oh, being the Fruity Fruits and the,
Yes!
I forget the other one, Ellen's Energy Adventure.
Yes! He's like, I can't wait to get back.
Yeah, that's one of the good things about...
Stupid Star-Lord.
Okay, fun fact number 3.
Number 3! Okay, the Star Blaster ship.
Okay.
The one that's outside.
Okay.
Is the first full-size version of this Andorian ship.
Oh, cool.
Ever built.
So that's outside of the ride?
Yes.
Cool.
Those are my facts.
Awesome. Good.
And now on to
facts.
merch.
Oh, the merch.
Merch is going to be interesting.
Okay, so first piece of merch. As you all know, if you have been following us for a little bit, we love Disney pins.
Yes.
And this cookie was modeled after a Disney pin of Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. I did decide to do something a little bit different. So this is supposed to have been the Epcot ball like you see on the pin, but I made it a little bit different.
Oh.
So that's why we did that and where I got the inspiration from. So for Disney pin lovers out there, that is for you.
Yes.
Next thing is, this is pretty cool.
Oh,
it's
the bag!
Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind cassette player
You're going to
shoulder
have to explain
bag.
this one.
A cassette player is something we used way back when, and it played music.
When?
70s, 80s, 90s, 80s, but in the 90s, I had it in the 90s too.
Yeah.
Do you know what
You
it
got
is?
your compact disc.
Yeah, so for those of you who don't know, the tapes came out first, the cassette players, and then the CDs,
Oh.
and then the iPods, and then your phone. And that's that. But look at how cute this is. So it's a little shoulder bag, and it's the cassette player, and it says
Yeah, price.
Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. Let's get some more views of this. Oh, how cute. Look, it's got headphones.
Oh, the headphones are cute.
Yeah, so it's $40. So if you got $40 to just
cosmically throw to the wind,
that would be for you. And the last piece of merch, which is really cool, and this is actually the cookie I was going to do until I changed my mind. Look at this Guardians of the
I love that
Galaxy
print.
Cosmic Rewind
I love
matted
it.
print. It's very retro. Like, it's really
Oh, it's very cool.
Look at Groot and
Look at
Rocket.
Rocket. Time to start music.
Oh, music.
Talk about the music. Cue the music.
One of the reasons why we all love this movie is because of the awesome soundtrack.
Yes.
Right? So,
6 featured songs.
So in the ride, every time you go, there's a possibility of getting a new soundtrack, like a new song.
Yes.
And there's 6 different options that you could randomly get. So
okay, we got
first
September by Earth, Wind, and Fire. Everybody Wants to Rule the World by Tears for Fears.
That's a good one.
Conga by Gloria Estefan.
That one would be fun.
One Way or Another by Blondie.
Oh, that one would be fun too.
I Ran by Flock of Seagulls.
Okay.
And Disco Inferno
Ooh.
by the Tramps.
Which one would
Those are all so good.
Which one would you like hope to have on your ride?
One Way or Another.
Me too, that's what I was gonna say. All right. Thank you guys very much for hanging out with us today. Hope you enjoyed watching how the cookie was made. Hope you enjoyed learning some fuzz facts, learning about the songs, the merch, all that
Let
fun
us know
stuff.
if you go ride the ride.
Please let me know. Let me know how awesome
That is
it
so
is.
awesome.
I'm so excited for you if you got to go on it. And let's see. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok. And if you enjoyed watching this episode, please like and subscribe and hit the for notifications. And we will see you next time, Cookie Friends.
Next time.
Bye. Right. You ready?
Hooga shaka, hooga shaka.
Okay. And the reason why we made this is because we were celebrating What?
No, do a lot of ums.
In May.
Cut.
What?
Cut.
What? Okay.
Hit me fuzzy one more time.
Say number 1.
What is this?
The fuzz facts you sent me.
I sent this?
You.
This is weird. I don't remember any of this. 2000. I don't math. I'm still looking. Okay.
Oh, we can't play that song.
Content! What? Blocked? This song is copyright!
You done?
No, are you done?
Listen, he's getting crabby, so we gotta wrap up.
Getting
this
crabby.
episode. All right.